What's up, YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today I have something that's pretty cool to show you guys, and that is a product sent to me called Toolbox Widget, and it's a wrench organizer. These things are pretty cool. I'll do a dive down so you guys can see them up close, and then I'll show you a before and after video of what one of my wrench drawers looks like, because obviously I have multiple. But I want to give a real quick shout out to a buddy of mine. He actually met me at one of the races that I worked at. His name is Justin, and he has a YouTube channel called Justin ATV, and he has a lot of good content. Not only that, but he also received the Toolbox Widget and did a beautiful job on organizing his box. He even saved over half a drawer, or about half a drawer worth of space in his wrench drawer just due to this Toolbox Widget. And that's fantastic. Now, the one downside to the Toolbox Widget. I had wrenches stacked on top of wrench sets inside this drawer. These are gonna save you space. Downside to that, you're gonna have more room. What do guys that love tools do when they have more room? They tend to fill it up. So, if you're gonna get these, just be aware that you might end up buying yourself some more tools because you're gonna have more space to fill up that space in your toolbox. So that's just a downside. But Justin ATV has a great video on the Toolbox Widget. I'll try and link his channel down in the description or put a bubble up in here for him. If not, just check out Justin ATV. Great channel, great content. Go ahead and check out his Toolbox Widget video. But I'm gonna do a quick dive down of what these look like and what it all consists of, and then we'll take a look at the before and after of my wrench drawer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so just with the Toolbox Widget, I managed to get rid of this wrench roll over here. Lots of different organizers like these. These save space, but still not as much space as the Toolbox Widget. Also, the one thing, these grip wrenches sometimes really snugly and can just be a pain when you go to grab a wrench, and you know, especially if you're grabbing one of them that's like in the middle, it'll want to pull up everything. But there's 4, 5, 6, and I have 3 more over there. So it saved me a total of 9 rails, because don't get me wrong, I love these and these because it keeps everything really organized, looks really clean. But when you got to stack stuff because you don't have room in your drawer, it's kind of aggravating. So go ahead and get this stuff out of the way, and we'll take a look at the actual Toolbox Widget. So this is what they're going to send you, and they have different sales going on all the time. So if you go ahead and check out their website, I'll link it down in the description as well. Depending on the time that you purchase these, you can get pretty good discounts on these depending on how many you buy. But here's the website, and this is a patent pending wrench set organizer. It's veteran owned, so that's really cool, being a veteran myself. So besides that, what's going to come in the box is the organizer itself, and then in each box you're going to have a Toolbox Widget sticker. Most of them will get pretty beat up inside of there. Downside to that, but other than that, the great thing about these is not only are they slim, you can set them to one side of the drawer, and your wrench will sit in there no matter how you put it. But if you see here, you have some that are doubles, and then you have some that are singles. So if your drawer is a certain depth, you can actually change out all of your different widgets to actually make this fit perfectly the length of your drawer. So that's really cool, and I believe each set has a total of 14. It'll hold 14 wrenches, and they all just slide together like that and stay really well. On the bottom, you're going to find magnets, which are actually really strong, that hold it to the bottom of the drawer. And then that magnet is going to work kind of through here. You can see the orange at the base, and it does slightly hold on to the wrenches. So the slots are already going to hold the wrenches really well, but having a little bit of magnetic pull, just a small amount at the bottom, is really going to help out as well. But it does hold onto the drawer on the bottom really well. This is going to be for my SAE stubby wrenches. I just kept them out so you guys can get a closer look at them. But I'll go ahead now and I'll show you my before, and then I'll show you a clip of after I have all of these installed. And I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions on the Toolbox widget, go ahead, feel free to ask. Go ahead, check out Justin ATV, ask him any questions, and then obviously you'll probably be able to find out more information at toolboxwidget.com. Okay, so with the Toolbox widget, I'm going to try and reorganize this drawer. They sent me a few sets. I'm going to try and do as much as possible with it to show you guys what kind of organization it provides compared to the way I have it set up right now. So over here, we have an entire set of gear wrench. This was originally full of Tecton, and that was full of gear wrench. But the gear wrench does have a few extra features that the Tecton didn't. So still have Tecton SAE, both front and back here. This is gear wrench from that pack. The Tecton's in there now, plus the bigger sizes of the gear wrench are still in there. That is still Tecton. This is the pre 100 tooth, and then the gear wrench 120 XP long handled wrenches. So I'm going to go ahead and try and reorganize this drawer for you guys and see how it turns out. Now we are going to take a look at the wrench drawer with the Toolbox widgets installed. So starting over here on the left, I actually have every single wrench from my gear wrench roll on this rail, which I could not do before because the rails that I had would not hold all of them. So I think I stopped at 21 before, and now I have, 23, 24, 25, 27, 30, 32, something like that. It's not too often I use anything that big, but when I do, at least now I don't have to dig it out of the wrench roll. It's all in a line right here. Then here I have the Capri 100 tooth ratcheting wrenches. Then I have my Tecton stubby and my gear wrench 120 XP extra long ratcheting wrenches. So, and then I have my Tecton 10 and 8 millimeter up there. This is all metric from here over, and then my SAE, which is just my Tecton set of long combination or your standard combination, and then your stubby SAE as well. And then I have a lot more SAE in there, but I don't use as much SAE, so I mainly have metric in this drawer. But as you could tell before, I had wrench sets stacked on top of each other and kind of crammed in the drawer, and now I have even more space. So now I could possibly fit, if I go ahead and get more of the Toolbox widgets, I might be able to fit both sets of these flare nut wrenches inside the drawer as well. So that would be great. Clear off some space on top of my toolbox, and I'm saving space all around. So really cool. Let me know what you guys think of this Toolbox widget organizer, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out Justin ATV, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching.